As Statia enters this new chapter, we do so with a strong awareness that success of tourism can no longer be defined by visitors' numbers, but must be measured by what we preserve, what we restore, and what we pass on to future generations. That understanding shaped our recently finalized strategic tourism master plan, a plan written with the community and not for the community. As reflected in the master plan, regenerative, eco, and cultural tourism will be the guide, the future direction of tourism development on Sint Eustatius. We are actively working toward that vision by protecting our nature and breathing new life into our historical landmarks. As we breathe new life into these historical landmarks, they also will breathe new life into our economy, welcoming visitors to share in the stories that shape Statia. To achieve this, we are establishing a tourism company, investing in hotel training and strengthening collaboration across the tourism sector. Launching this new era, we are undertaking a major rebranding of Statia's tourism image. At the heart of this process is the community ownership. The next generation played an active role in shaping the concepts behind the renewed tourism identity and logo. The success of tourism can only be truly achieved when the community is part of a journey and can see itself reflected in the story behind what is being told. Long-held aspirations are becoming a reality for Statia. The opening of the Golden Rock Resort, the first tourism investment of this scale on Statia, has expanded our accommodation offering and elevated our tourism experience. With their continued development of the Seafeather Estate project, Golden Rock Resort is also introducing a new level of residential tourism and investment to the island, which aligns with our vision, quality over quantity. For many years, accessibility has been one of the greatest challenges facing tourism development on Statia. Today, we are making meaningful progress in improving both sea and air connectivity. The Makana ferry service has strengthened regional sea connections while promoting a unique four-island travel experience. It's called 4 Islands, 1 Escape. Includes Saba, Statia, St. Martin, and St. Kitts as the destinations. Another noteworthy development is the expansion of air connectivity through the Dutch Caribbean island hopper, which has chosen Statia as its operational base, further strengthening regional connections.